Hello viewers and welcome to another video from Daiwame Cars. Today, I'm excited to show you this 2013 Honda Brio we have for sale. This automatic hatchback is in excellent condition with only 69,000 kilometers on the odometer. As you can see, the Brio looks fantastic in this dark gray exterior color. The paint is still shiny with no major scratches or dents. It's sitting on a brand new set of tires with plenty of tread left. Inside, the black fabric seats are clean with no visible wear. This 2013 model has some nice upgrades over earlier versions, including a multi-function steering wheel, Bluetooth connectivity, and an upgraded stereo system. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the engine and transmission. This Brio has Honda's reliable 1.2L i-VTEC petrol engine, which performs nicely combined with the smooth automatic gearbox. It has always been serviced on time at the Honda Service Center. Other highlights on this pre-owned Brio include new headlights, upgraded suspension components, and a full service history with records. It has only had 3 previous owners who have taken good care of it. Overall, this is a fantastic, low-mileage Honda Brio that runs and drives beautifully. The asking price is worth 389 lakhs, which is excellent value given the condition. We have financing options available as well. So if you need an affordable, economical automatic car that looks great and comes from a trusted brand, look no further. Give Daiwame Cars a call today to set up a test drive. This Brio won't last long. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what other used cars you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.